Hi everyone, welcome to ABCD of Drawing. In the last video of this series, we learned how to draw A for anemone flowers, and in this video, we are going to draw B for buttercups. The process is very simple. First, we are going to draw a rough circle with a pencil, and then we are going to draw a smaller concentric circle inside of our bigger one, and then we are going to draw one more smaller circle. This is for the front view. For the back view also, we have to first draw a circle and then one more circle inside of it. Let's start with the front view. First, we have to draw C shapes around our innermost circle. Now we have to connect these C shapes with U shapes like I'm doing in this video. Now we have to draw elongated petal-like shapes from our innermost circle to our middle circle. You don't have to be very perfect and don't draw them in a single direction. Just change the direction, make a few shorter ones, make a few in abrupt directions. Now we have to draw our petals. Buttercups have 5 petals. So we are going to draw 5 almost equal sized flower petals. The outermost circle that we drew in the beginning with the pencil will act as a guide to draw the petals in almost equal shape. Now we are going to draw some curvy lines inside our petals and our front view is complete. Now let's do the back side view. For this view, first we have to draw our stem. Now we will draw 5 almost equally spaced leaves inside our inner circle. Now, like we did with our front view, we are going to draw 5 flower petals inside our outermost circle. This is what the flower would look like from behind. Now, let's learn to draw the side view. For the side view, instead of circle, we have to draw an oval shape. Now we will draw 2 more ovals inside it, and our middle oval and the innermost oval will slightly touch each other at one side. Now we will draw some stamens inside our innermost oval and then in the outermost oval. Stamens are these elongated petal-like shapes that we drew in our first flower. And then we will draw our flower petals. Now we will draw a few curvy lines inside our flower petals and our side view is also done. Let's draw another view. This time we will draw a bowl-like shape with our pencil. Now first we will draw the flower petals in the lower portion of our bowl and then we will draw some stamens peeping out and then we will draw the rest of the petals. We need to remember that we have to draw only 5 petals. Now we are going to draw some curvy lines inside our flower petals and our flower is complete. Let's draw another flower. This time also we will draw a bowl, but this time the oval shape will be much thinner than we drew in our previous flower. This time our stamen will also not be visible. This flower is yet to fully bloom. Now we will draw a flower bud. For the flower bud we are going to draw 3 sepals and our baby flower petals just peeping out from inside. Now let's apply what we have learned to our actual illustration. I have already drawn a portion of a lady and we are going to add some flowers on top of it. As we have learned, first we are going to draw our guidelines with pencil and then we will draw our actual flowers with a pen. Sure, you use your pencil very lightly because we are going to erase it later and you don't want any dents or pencil marks to be seen later. If you're not very confident in drawing directly with pen, then you can draw the whole illustration with pencil first and then go over it using a pen. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this, because I'm going to post a lot more tutorials later. And I'll see you later. Bye bye.